So there's a Car's kids backpack.
Look, here's a brand new stapler, Phil.
Pretty nice backpack right there. Cleaned it up. It's an Everest. Then there's a pry bar that's laying in the hallway, a little domino set, cedar box. And I thought I'd show you guys something funny. We've seen lots of weird stuff in here, but this is a whole box of
zippers.
Zippers. All the way down. Pretty heavy, kind of. All that. But it goes in the dumpster because I can't use it. Then we got a pocket watch. Little Tonka toy. Some cheapy marbles. And this looks like older marbles. And then we found, John here's found a brand new staple gun, brand new packet of pencils, and hole punch. What in the world? A phone. Don't need that no more. A chain for choking a dog, training a dog. And one socket. We're still rolling. Oh, here's some more stuff. Screwdriver, scissors, breakaway knife, things like that. Just keeps on adding up. Okay, to get your perspective, this has been finding this all throughout the house, but brand new, you know, gallon of Arizona green tea.
Still sealed.
In the hallway. Never been opened. Hawaiian punch. This is all in the hallway. Never opened.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. All in the hallway. A roller skate. So, in the hallway. A heater. A bunch of little clowns, which I'm saving one for each day that I can torture a guy I know that's scared of clowns. I'm gonna put it on his truck where he goes to work. Some jewelry, which some of it might be of account. An extension. I would just want to show you a brand new cigar. She don't smoke, that I can tell. These things. An older Ninja Turtle.
Hi, babies.
Nope. Masters of the Universe. This is not in very good shape, but it is a lunchbox. Knitting needles. Brand new. All this is in that back room and hallway. This was in the bedroom. Pretty cool. Pretty nice hand painted. And a basket. There you go. This is what we're finding everywhere. So, Tweety bird. An axe in the middle of a bunch of magazines. Spyro the Dragon stuffy. Carnival glass. Hillbilly bear. A brand new round light that you hang up, I guess. An old Winnie the Pooh.
Xi Jinping.
Missing his eye. Rock and roll cassette tapes. I don't know what this is, guys. There it is. Brass butterflies. How about an old flour sack? Let's open it up. Sunflower and seed.
Or sugar. I don't know.
I don't either. That says Niger seed. This is some clipper connections. This hey, old style blue sunglasses. And then brass bells, jeweler screwdrivers, things like that. This heater. So just to let you know, think I threw a Taco Bell stuffy plushie. I'm feeling guilty about it because it's probably hard to find them things. But the little Chihuahua dog, he's gone.
Were you supposed
Day 5, dumpster 8. It's most of the way full. We'll take you and show you. But we cleared out the master bedroom, master bath, kitchen, living room, hallway. First bedroom, 3/4 of the bathroom. This one here was stacked this high, and we're 3/4 of the way through this. I'm hoping we can get it all into the dumpster. Let's go look at the dumpster. As we walk to the house, you get to see it. Dumpster's 3/4 of the way full. I think we're going to get it all in there. Got a few things we're going to save. Glass jar. Some coins and stuff inside there. Just a lot of little things that we found along the way. And we're going to keep on until we get finished. That's what we do. So we'll take you at the end and we'll show you what we did.